Do you ever feel like you're on a career treadmill and before you know it, 17 years have passed? Maybe it's time to give back, find a new purpose, teach. Further education teaching is not for me. I don't have the right teaching experience, I'm not qualified, I lack the right skill set, and I've not been trained to teach. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. Your industry workplace skills are more valuable than you realise, and you could make a great further education teacher. Maybe I can do it. Further education is an alternative to school and university-based learning. Often taught in colleges, further education covers a huge range of both academic and practical work-based courses. This includes work-based training in plumbing, manufacturing or healthcare, to academic qualifications in subjects like English and maths. Sounds interesting. Now, the reason why I'm interested in this right now? Well, as I creep towards 40, I've realised that giving back and sharing knowledge can be pretty fulfilling. Further education would give me, and possibly you, the chance to pass on our legacy and shape the next generation of engineers. This is for anyone who's been working in a particular trade, like construction and engineering, and now wants to inspire others. So you've already got what it takes. For example, some engineering courses include an introduction into welding, fabrication, and cutting skills. If you've been working in the industry, you know you've got the experience to teach that. Think about it. By teaching FE, you could be a role model for the future generation of workers. Since starting work in construction over 17 years ago, I've picked up real life skills that I can use to help others who are new to the field. Bringing that industry knowledge helps bring the trades to life. However, there's just one problem. I can't do this, I don't have the time, I don't have the formal qualifications, and I'm not qualified to be a teacher. That's when I found out that I can teach in further education part-time alongside my current job. Not only that, but I can do my teacher training on the job too, so I can start earning right away. So what do you think, Charlie? You think it's time for me to give back?
Yeah, I think we need you.
Maybe you should join us too.